as is governing assisting us to get application today. Please that choose first appearance today, your worship on.
So sorry, Mr. Chairman, for choose number 1 is Mr. Choose
2 and 4. And say for choose number 3 and 5. Please I choose 3 and 5. Appearing for the first time in court on the following charges. 1 being conspiracy to commit murder, second one being murder, the third one being murder, both murders by the section 51 subsection 1 of the criminal law amendment act. Count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count 6 to 10 is attempted murder. Count 4 and 5 unlawful possession of firearm and lawful possession of ammunition is theft. So the two are facing 10 counts.
Place on record that before we came in, I had a meeting with the prosecution and the defense, and we agreed that we allow the media to be present as it is here. So, ladies and gentlemen of the media, you are welcome in these proceedings. And I just want to confirm your appearance, Mr. Kamini, for accused 1.
As the court please, Your Worship. I do confirm that I appear for accused number 1. Yes, Kamini.
Thank you. Advocate Jefferson for accused number 2 and 4.
That is so, Your Worship. I appear instructed by my attorney, Mr. Barata, who is your attorney.
Thank you. And Ms. Ealing for accused 3 and 5.
Confirm my appearance on behalf of the people.
What is the state's application?
Your Worship, at this stage, we request a postponement for further investigation. There are certain investigations that we wish to conduct. And secondly, Your Worship, there are outstanding suspects in this matter. Over that.
So do you mind specifying what investigation, or is it not important investigation?
Your Worship, I might mention a few, but not everything due to the sensitive nature of some of the investigation. Basically, we still finalizing the analysis of, amongst others, data that has been obtained for purposes of investigation, following up on certain information that has since transpired after the arrest of the accused, amongst others. And the second leg of our application relates to the fact that there are 2 other, I would say now, accused because they've been arrested. I would have said suspects if they were not arrested, but they were not arrested in South Africa. They were arrested in the country of the Kingdom of Swaziland. We are in the process of having them extradited back to this country. Which process is being discussed together with one of my learned friends, who has been employed informed us that he has been instructed by those two accused. We would love to have them joined in this matter, depending on the attitudes between the two parties relating to their tradition. It will determine then how longer can this process be funded. If, for example, there's a consent for them being extradited, it will take short than for participating.
Has the process of extradition started?
Yes, an extradition.
Can you give the court an indication as to more or less how long it's going to take?
As the first process which was the request for them to be arrested, then they appear in court. Now we have a maximum of 30 days to finalize in between what happens. As I said, should there be no objection on the side of those that should be extradited, it might take longer than 2 months. But if there is an objection, then it might take us, of course, depending on how the case is developed in the courts in that time. At this stage, we are not in a position to indicate to the court as to how long, depending, of course, as I said earlier on, whether there's objection or permission for them to be extradited.
But you say there is a legal representative of the accused who are still in the neighboring country.
She is one of the friends sitting here. We have had an informal discussions on that issue. I would love to place them in court as if that is the version. But we have had some discussion informally, and it appears that the period might be shorter than that. For those reasons, then, Your Worship, that is our request. I have been approached by my learned friends relating to the issue of their intention to bring an application to the reason day. And the state has indicated to all my learned friends that we will be opposing those applications, should they be brought. Perhaps we hear from my learned friends what the intention.
Your Worship, in light of the information that has been given, may I approach my country?
The accused may be seated.
May I then approach you, please?
As my learned friend is busy, I've been informed by my colleague that I was looking at the charge sheet and looking at the few ones sent and presented as photos, members of photos and the rest. Maybe I don't change that. I was looking at the same records. I was putting that in there. I don't want to push it to be.
Let me get this in quotation. Your Worship, before I answer that question, there is still interest to the witness to violate the rules.
May I close the story? May I hear what the police say? In the event that some person is posed on me, and put up with other colleagues who can throw the questions to me. But may you request that in first place, please, whether the application is not, so that when I answer them, instead of you, so you will.
Maybe let's approach it from this angle. The stance of the state is that the state is going to oppose bail in the event of it in court. Fine. Now, the question then says, are the accused intending to bring an application to be released on bail? Mr. Zamini. Fine, thank you. Ms. King, Mr. Jefferson.
Your case construction also include the bail application regardless of the reasons.
Fine. So then we can move on to the question that was raised.
On listing the charges, I indicated counts 2 and 3 in terms of section 51, subsection 1 of the Criminal Act, thereby classifying those charges as being Schedule 6. Now, Schedule 6 indicates that the worship has to order the detention of the accused until violation is made. It's not within my right to do that, it's the court that's okay. Jurisdiction, order the detention until they apply to this court. Furnish reasons as to why they should be violated. Therefore, first answer to the question by Mr. Amir is for the court to exercise its powers. The question, what is exercise? So that's what was conceived. As to the reasons I mentioned before, there is no application at this stage. I do not feel it is obliged for the state to state reasons for an application being made. There must be an application, then listen to the application, we hear the reasons for the application, and then decide. But I say, simply one of the reasons will be an application.
Thank you, Mr. Fowler.
We such a question that will however our this leadership for 6 months in itself, that is what should be analogous to we will take this issue of
But the wording of Schedule 6 of section 60 subsection 11 is very clear.
that's the fact that the court has determined that these people should get paid. However, that in itself is not a ground.
Fine. Do you wish to come in, Mr. Jones? Okay, what is the proposed date?
Your Worship, we anticipated that this kind of an application might be brought, and for in preparation thereof, we have a request that the first, fourth, and fifth accused be detained in Chatsworth for a period of 7 days. Now, I'm not sure whether that now, in a way, give an indication to my friends as to whether the state can be proposed. Or my other suggestion is we have a shorter agreement to approach the worship in chambers, where they can come back and confirm it, rather than speak one just to the other and then or the court can give us any indication.
Okay, let's not confuse the issues. Your initial application is for postponement for further investigation. Right. And there is an indication now by the defense that they are going to bring an application for the accused to be released on bail.
That's right.
So let's not confuse the issues. If the accused are to bring in their application, the fact that there is investigation outstanding, is it not going to affect the application per se?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
The the fact of them bringing the bill application will not hinder whatever we want to do, insofar as the main case is concerned. Bearing in mind to the nature and the agency of the application that is being made.
Well, then in that case, I propose that perhaps we take a short adjournment and look at our diaries and agree on a date for bail application.
Your Worship, I agree firstly, and this.
But my concern at the back of my mind is, are we not going to have a situation where we are going to have a piecemeal application, seeing that there are two other accused that are outstanding still out of the country?
Your Worship, the issue is, as of now, we have this fight. So, we have the jurisdiction there. As and when the other two join, if they join in the midst of a bail application or whatever the case may be, unfortunately, I cannot make any submission to this court of what to do because those two are not yet. So we can deal with the fact. And before I adjourn, Your Worship, I've been given a very smiling face by the interpreter to say, you have not given me opportunity to do my job.
We apologize.
We apologize.
Themselves. There is no reason that has been advanced why they should cover themselves. Yes.
Sorry, the Commission may want to consider these proceedings are being brought down. Now, it appears that the court wants their places unveiled. We don't know what other investigations ought to take place. And if they are unveiled, where does that leave the sanctity of any identification that the state wishes to hold?
That is the very reason I've asked, is identification one of the issues that need to be investigated, and the state has indicated that no. So then there is no reason for the accused to cover themselves, because there is no pending identification parade that is to take place.
At this stage, Your Worship, the investigation is ongoing, so I would submit it's better to do it on the side of caution. But of course, it is Your Worship's.
Your Worship, as our investigation, there is no way that we are going to do.
Of any safety, so they can uncover them. And I would ask the ladies and gentlemen of the media not to take photos whilst the court is proceeding, but before or after the proceedings. Right.
Thank you. Of faith. Instead, I have a question that the prefer one has to accuse about this matter, and in September, one day of 2005, and the last accused in Guru Monday, we kept that Chatsworth police station.
court in chambers, we agreed that the matter is going to be postponed provisionally for bail verification until the 6th of June, 6th of March, and thereafter until the 14th, 18th, and 19th, and thereafter the 27th. And it is your proposal that for bail verification purposes, accused 1 and 5 be kept at Chatsworth Police Station. Okay? Accused 4 and 5. And then the other accused, 2 and 3. There was a concern whilst we were in chambers that it's not easy for the defense to consult when the accused are in Westville. Are you comfortable, gentlemen, from the defense, that accused 2 and 3 be kept at Westville?
No, they also get this Chatsworth police station or any other police station as opposed to the prison. It's easier to stop about. My understanding, my own friend, is that there's going to be a discussion about that after that, and we hope that we will reach consensus.
Yes, that question was raised, Mr. Amaya, that the accused be kept at police stations for bail verification purposes. Thereafter, they can go to prison. Should they all go to Chatsworth Police Station? So accused 2 and 3 are already in prison for other matters, and to take them out of the prison and that makes sense. Unfortunately, we cannot help you, gentlemen, in as far as that is concerned. Says that he is kept at the prison.
Well, you're speaking about accused 4. That's one of those that I understand is going to go back to Chatsworth.
Yes, accused 1, 4, and 5 are to be kept at Chatsworth Police Station.
So now I'm taking instructions. The complaint from number 4 is that he's not being treated as he should.
Where?
Whilst he's being at Chatsworth.
At Chatsworth.
Now, first at the stage, is one to however, if there is a legal treatment in respect of accused 4, we will take it up with the team and also inform the one in Chatsworth in order to deal with this.
Thank you, Richard. We'll take up that invitation.
It's recorded that accused number 4 has a concern or complaint that he's not treated well at the Chatsworth Police Station. Then he is encouraged to take that up with the commander there and the investigating officer.
Please look into that and address any concerns that may be. this stage, this matter is postponed for bail notification until the 6th of March. Case number 1, 4, and 5 at Chatsworth Police Station. Case number 3, number 2, and 3 at
Westville Prison. On the 6th of March, the matter will then come before court again for bail application purposes on the 14th of March. On the 14th of March, it will then be postponed to the 18th and 19th of March. It is foreseeable that we won't be able to finalize the matter on these 2 days. It will then be postponed to the 27th of March for bail application purposes. So it's postponed now to the 6th of March for bail verification purposes. On the 6th of March, it will be postponed to the 14th of March when we will commence with the bail application. We won't finish on the 14th of March, that is foreseeable. It will then on the 14th of March be postponed to the 18th and 19th of March. And we foresee that we will not be able to finalize the matter on those 2 days. And then on the 19th, we will then postpone to the 27th of March. This is according to the availability of legal representatives of the accused and the prosecution team.